214.
Okay, here you have an extra closet.
Okay. Awesome.
Yeah. Just this apartment got it, okay? Because
Okay.
it's like complicated. Everything is updated like 6 years, 7 years ago.
Okay.
Cabinets, everything. Yeah, the AC is like 8 years ago. So the building was built in 2000. Everything, the doors, everything is 7 years ago was built, remodeled. The bathroom, everything.
High ceilings.
Yeah, it's very quiet. The other floor here.
Thank you. I see.
Yeah,
And this is
balcony.
this is Hurricane, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay.
The third floor,
Mhm.
there is like some space for you to go, maybe some bars or get a party or some
Okay.
small reunion. You know, I don't know if you wanna
Yeah.
go over there. So it's very quiet because the apartments are smaller, like almost more or less smaller like this than this. So what happened is that always there is no kids, almost
It's very quiet.
yeah, like single people, you know.
Yes. And is there where's the washer and dryer? Is it out? Is it?
Okay, this is when I bought.
Mhm.
I bought with a wash and dry. I don't need it. So
Oh, you don't need it.
I
Okay.
use the connection, everything is there.
Oh, okay.
Because I got this
And
thing
it's-
here that is like a corner.
Yeah.
You know, so it's good for me. So I never use the.
Okay.
Yes, I got it like a closet.
No problem. But the connections are there.
Yeah, everything was there.
Okay.
The guy told me that it belonged to him and he wanted to take with him. So I said it's okay. I don't use it.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Yeah, let's go to the.
Oh, yeah.
The floor, we can go to the space. It was updated like 2 years ago, 1 year ago. The camera,
Nice.
and you know that, I don't know if you know the area.
Yeah, I know the
You know
area.
everything here, you know, 3 blocks away, you got a Condo Depot, Milan supermarket here, a lot of restaurants, a gas station next to the building.